To set up Android Auto on your Samsung A57 5G, first of all, you have to just turn on ignition in your car, and in your car try to enter for the pairing mode in the Bluetooth. In my case, it looks like this, that I have to just turn it on from the screen, but sometimes you can find these buttons on the steering wheel. So you have to just take a look here or take a look somewhere in the different buttons on your infotainment system. But for me, just click on this Bluetooth button. And now you have to grab your A57, you have to open system settings, you have to make sure that you enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You will have to go for the more connection settings. Oh, not here, we have to actually go for the connected devices, scroll for Android Auto and go to connect a vehicle. Now select connect using wireless Android Auto, connect using Bluetooth, click to pair a vehicle, and from available devices list you have to just select your car, and then if you receive some notifications that pairing request, you have to just simply accept everything. That will pop up on your screen. If you want to also make the phone calls or receive messages, you have to just literally accept everything on your A57 but also on your car. If you don't have this screen in your car, in the most cases you have to make some confirmation on your steering wheel. And that's basically how it looks. Thank you so much for watching.